Hello friends, my name is Charlene and I am so excited about my upcoming workshop called Relationship Dynamics, 3 techniques for Christian moms who want to increase joy, peace, and harmony within the relationships that they value the most. So whether that's with your husband, your kids, your parents, any other family members, friendship, co-workers, we know that relationships take commitment, love, and patience. So let's come together in a live workshop to talk about some of these strategies and things that we can do to work towards the relationships that we want to have with the people that we care about the most, okay? We know that God uses people to bless us, to be an answer to our prayers. So he would use people for encouragement, for support, to give biblical wisdom and understanding, okay? And so relationships are important. It's very easy to isolate ourselves or to be discouraged by conflict and stress in a relationship to where we allow it to divide us. That's actually kind of taking the easy way out, but we're going to have to go ahead and push past our emotions and just think practically, what can I do to increase that peace, love, and joy? Okay, so let's come together to talk about that. We also know that God uses us to bless people. So again, when we strengthen our own relationships, we have a better capacity to form the type of relationships that God wants us to have with others, so that we can be a blessing to them as well. Okay, so I look forward to talking with you, meeting with you, connecting with you in this free workshop. See you soon.